Well, I'm pretty sure that I'm on my last leg with my timing chain on my O2 here. Currently has 194,801. And I'm pretty sure the guy is completely gone now. So, let's see. Yep. And it sounds much worse than that going down the road. It's like a bucket of nuts and bolts being thrown around. It's either time for a new engine or timing chain replacement.